In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a Notion page. Locking a page in Notion is really useful when you've finished setting something up and you don't want to accidentally change it, or when you're collaborating with others and want to prevent edits. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Notion and go to the database that contains the page you want to lock. This might be something like a tasks database, a content calendar, or any table or board where your pages live. Make sure you're in the database view where you can see the list of entries, not inside a specific page yet. Next, locate the entry for the page you want to lock and click on the Open button. In many database views, this appears when you hover over the row or card, or it may show as a small arrow or the word Open on the right side. Click that to open the page in full page view so we can access the page options. Once the page opens, you might see another open option depending on how your database is configured. If the page first opens in a side peek or a small preview panel, look for an Open or Open as Page button, usually at the top right of that panel. Click on that so the page fills the whole window. This makes it easier to find the controls we need. Now that the page is fully open, move your cursor up to the top right area of the page. You'll see a group of icons and options in the page header. Look for the three-dot menu, often called More or Page menu. This is usually represented by 3 horizontal dots. Click on that to open the full list of page options. Inside this menu, look for the Lock Page option. It may appear with a small lock icon next to it. Click on this option. When you do, Notion will lock the page, which means you can no longer edit the content directly unless you unlock it again. You'll usually see a small lock indicator at the top of the page, confirming that the page is now protected. If you ever need to make changes later, you can repeat the process, open that same menu, and choose to unlock the page. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly lock important Notion pages and keep your setup safe from accidental edits.